Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tech accessories so you don't have to waste time figuring it out. In today's episode, we're looking at what we believe is the best Mac computer power cord out there. The Wesappinc replacement extension cable for Apple Power Mac G5 and iMac models from 20 to 27 inches. If you've got an iMac from before 2011, or you're just tired of short cables and unreliable connections, this power cord could be the ideal solution. With a solid 6-foot length, this extension gives you added flexibility to position your iMac exactly where you want it, without worrying about proximity to the nearest wall socket. The cable features a male-to-female connector configuration, is US standard compatible, and follows a Type B plug format, making it a seamless replacement for your original cord. One of the first things you'll notice is the build quality. The Wesappinc cable is well insulated and feels durable in hand. It doesn't twist or tangle easily and offers that solid connection that's essential for long-term use. It's white, which blends in nicely with most Apple setups and complements the aesthetic of older iMac designs. The connectors lock firmly into the iMac socket, which means no slipping or power interruptions during use. Something you definitely don't want while editing, designing, or just browsing. This isn't just for the casual user. If you're restoring an older iMac, using it as a second screen, or running it in a studio or office setup, this extension cable is a must-have. Because it's tailored specifically for Apple's pre-2011 iMac line, you can be confident it will fit without modification. Whether it's a 20-inch, 21.5-inch, 24-inch, or even 27-inch iMac, the Wesappinc cable delivers a plug-and-play experience. There's no guesswork involved. This power cord is ideal for anyone working with legacy Apple hardware. Creatives, tech enthusiasts, or even schools and businesses that still rely on these durable iMacs. Instead of searching endlessly for OEM Apple cables or risking sketchy third-party options, this is a reliable and cost-effective alternative that simply works. So if you're looking for a dependable, well-built replacement power cable for your classic iMac, the Wesappinc extension cord stands out as the best Mac computer power cord on the market today. It's simple, efficient, and purpose-built. Check it out in the link below and make your iMac setup whole again. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown of the best accessories in the tech world. See you in the next video.